Discovery is one of the leading silver-focused mining companies in the world, and all in all, Discovery is an extremely simple story. It's a world-class silver asset that is getting better and better against a backdrop of very favorable near and midterm silver prices, with low execution risk, and led by a team that has discovered, developed, optimized, and built mines many times over. As you may know, the fundamentals for both gold and silver right now couldn't be better. Zero interest rates, unprecedented fiscal stimulus, unprecedented monetary injections by central banks. And sure, there will be some volatility, but the fundamental drivers for gold and silver prices have never been stronger. I'd also point out that the silver investment universe is 1/10 the size of the gold investment universe, which gives silver a huge amount of torque. And that's been clearly evident in every single bull market in modern history, with silver outperforming gold by a wide margin. And even though silver prices are up around 50% since 2018, it's important to keep in mind the silver price has rallied on average 600% in the previous three bull markets. So it's very clear we're still in the early stages of this current precious metals bull market. A quick snapshot of Discovery Metals look like? Well, Discovery's flagship project is the world-class Cordero silver project, located in the northern Mexican state of Chihuahua. And Mexico is the world's largest silver producing nation, and we are located in one of the most prolific mining regions in the country. We are currently undertaking one of the larger drill programs in the silver space at our cornerstone asset, Cordero. And since we've started drilling here last year, we have continually added significant value to the project, and we're confident that will continue, which means consistent positive news flow for the foreseeable future. So what makes Cordero world-class in our view, and what makes Discovery an extremely compelling investment opportunity? Margin, size, and scalability. And Cordero has the unique and very scarce combination of all three of these attributes. First off, margin. Discovery's work over the past year has shown that Cordero should be positioned in the bottom half of the cost curve, ensuring there is excellent downside protection in the event silver prices drop. Secondly, size. Cordero is one of the largest undeveloped silver projects in the world by total silver resources. The 2018 resource showed more than 1 billion ounces of silver equivalent in all categories. 1 billion. Think about the silver price of today, $24 an ounce, and think about what the value of that deposit should actually be. And think about what would happen if silver even went up $5 an ounce or $10 an ounce. And lastly, scalability. The scalability of Cordero is what really sets the project apart from other silver projects. 9 of the top 10 primary silver mines in the world are underground mines, typically vein systems with little scalability. That is, the deposit does not get bigger even at higher silver prices. With rising silver prices, Cordero, being a very large open pit mine and being endowed with such a huge mineral system, gets substantially bigger and bigger. And this offers investors added torque to a higher silver price. Finding the attributes of margin, size, and scalability is incredibly rare in the silver space, and Cordero has all three. As an investor, you need to think about lowering your risk, and the execution risk of Discovery's plan is low. First of all, let's look at location. The project is located in Mexico, which is the world's largest silver producing nation. Then it's located in Chihuahua State, which is one of the most mining-centric states in the country. And it's located in a prolific mining belt with loads of infrastructure and an abundance of mines nearby. Take that in terms of location and contrast it with a project that's in a remote location in a country that, doesn't really get mining. The second thing which lowers the execution risk is the balance sheet. The company has an industry-leading balance sheet with over $80 million of cash and no debt. And thirdly, in terms of lowering execution risk, the company is backed by some of the most successful investors in the mining space. For example, Eric Sprott, who owns over 25% of the company. It's one of his largest investments in the silver space. And the Oxygen Capital Group, founded by mining entrepreneur Mark O'Day, who sold 5 companies in the past decade, crystallizing huge value for their shareholders. Thank you for taking time to listen to the Discovery Metals story, and we hope you continue to follow the story. Please feel free to reach out to us anytime, and you can follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, and visit us online at our website. Thank you.